Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to look into how we can scrape the people also ask questions from Google results into a Google Sheets. There is a very quick and easy way to do that, and we're going to go straight to the point. But before we go there, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's go straight into the point. The first thing that you need is obviously to open a Google Sheets document. The second thing that you need is to go to this website and attach the extension that is called import from web to your Google Sheets. So you can do that for free without paying anything by attaching the simple extension. Otherwise, you are not going to find the functionality inside your Google Sheets. This is the missing link for a lot of you, including myself. When I was looking at tutorials online, I was like, why I go to my Google Sheets and I cannot find this formula that is called import from Google, because you need to have this extension attached into your Google Sheets. There may be other software that do the same thing. This is the one that I'm using and it works fine. I'm going to have the link in the video description. So come here to this link, attach this to your Google Sheets. Then you're going to come here to your Google Sheets. You're going to click on extensions. Then you're going to go and find import from web. And once you find the import from web here, you're going to activate the add-on. So once you attach it, then you're going to extensions, you find import from web, you activate the add-on. Once the add-on is activated, and you're going to see here that in less than a minute, this add-on is going to be activated, then you can see that if we click on any cell and we say equals, then we have import from web functionality, import from Google, import from web get activity, and so forth. So we have these additional capabilities that we can use for free. And let's now create something that is very simple. So here you've seen that I typed in skincare, and under the people also ask section, we have these 5 questions. What are the 5 basic of skincare? Why is skincare important? And so forth. So we want to scrape these questions. What we're going to do here is we're going to come and in this cell, let's say B1, we're going to type the keyword that we want to use in order to scrape the questions from. So this is the keyword, let's say that you come here and you type in on Google search. So I'm going to type in skin here. And then under the cell, I'm going to say import from Google. I'm going to select this functionality. Then I'm going to select my keyword, the cell with my keyword. Then I'm going to type comma. I'm going to open quotation marks and I'm going to type people underscore also underscore ask underscore questions. And I'm going to close the quotation marks and the parentheses. Now we're going to press enter, and now we are going to get the results very quickly and very easily. So you can see here these 4 questions that pop up here under people also ask. This is what the system basically is giving us. And if we change the keyword, so let's change the keyword to, let's say, I don't know, co-working space, for example, and then we press enter, then the system will basically scrape again the web, and then it's going to give us the questions that come up on Google search. Now, I suspect that this function is using the Google search results of the location that you are in. So for example, here I'm in UAE at the moment. It gives me results that are based on let's say United Arab Emirates. If you are in India, it's going to give you results based in India, and so forth here, right? So with this functionality, you can actually do many more things. So you can also export, for example, titles, page titles, links, and so forth of Google search results. I'm going to do another video on exactly how to do that. For now, that's it. I hope that you're going to make good use of this formula and this functionality. Have a great day in any time zone and see you in the next video. Bye.